Most people get this wrong when comparing cash advance apps. They focus only on how much money they can get, and completely ignore the features, eligibility requirements, and repayment experience. Here's the truth: no one tells you. The best app isn't always the one with the biggest advance. It's the one that fits your financial situation. In this video, we're comparing FloatMe and Earnin in 2026. You'll learn how each app works, their key differences, who they're best for, and which one might be the better choice for you. Let's start with the basics. Both FloatMe and Earnin are designed to help users access money before payday. Instead of traditional loans, these apps typically provide cash advances based on income and account activity. The goal is to help users avoid overdraft fees and short-term cash shortages. For example, imagine Jake needs money for groceries 3 days before payday. Both apps may offer a way to access funds early if he meets the eligibility requirements. But here's the problem. The experience can be very different depending on the app. FloatMe is generally known for smaller cash advances and budgeting-focused features. It aims to help users manage spending while also providing access to emergency funds. This makes it attractive for people who want financial tracking tools alongside cash advances. Earnin, on the other hand, is often focused on giving users access to earned wages before payday. Many users choose Earnin because of its paycheck-based approach and potentially higher advance limits for eligible users. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest difference often comes down to eligibility and usage patterns. If someone has consistent direct deposits and predictable income, Earnin may be a strong option. However, if someone wants a simple financial management app with smaller advances and budgeting support, FloatMe may be more appealing. This is where most people fail. They download an app without checking the qualification requirements. Eligibility can vary based on income history, banking activity, direct deposits, and account usage. What works perfectly for John may not work at all for Alex. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to choose between them. Ask yourself one question. What is your primary goal? If you mainly need access to earned wages before payday and potentially larger advances, Earnin may be worth considering. If you want budgeting assistance, spending insights, and occasional smaller advances, FloatMe may be the better fit. Neither app is a perfect solution for long-term financial problems. Both are designed as short-term tools for temporary cash flow needs. So which is better in 2026? For paycheck access and potentially larger advances, Earnin often has the edge. For budgeting features and simpler money management tools, FloatMe may be the stronger choice. The right answer depends on your financial habits and needs. If this comparison helped you make a decision, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial app reviews, and leave a comment telling us which app you prefer and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.